blockchain security refers to the measures and techniques used to protect the blockchain networks, smart contracts, and digital assets from attacks, vulnerabilities, and frauds. Since blockchain security relies on decentralization, cryptographic technology, and consensus mechanisms, ensuring its integrity is crucial for preventing unauthorized access, double spending, Sybil attacks, and other malicious activities. In this video, the whereabouts of blockchain security, key security threats in blockchain, and best practices for blockchain security are going to be discussed thoroughly. The key security threats in blockchains include 51% attack, Sybil attack, phishing attacks, smart contract vulnerabilities, private key thefts, routing attacks, and double spending attacks. I'm going to explain these 7 key security threats in blockchain thoroughly one by one in the later part of the video. Let's talk about some best practices for blockchain security. Some best practices for blockchain security include smart contract audits, using strong cryptography, using strong keys and wallets, implementing multi-factor authentication or event. Let's talk about some key security threats in blockchain. Some major key security threats in blockchain include 51% attacks, Sybil attacks, phishing attacks, routing attacks, double spending attacks, smart contract vulnerabilities, privacy code theft, to name a few. Let's begin with the 51% attacks. If a single entity gains the control of more than 50% of a blockchain network's mining power, they can manipulate reverse payment transactions and engage in double spending. So this is 51% attack. Attackers exploit these things for getting their jobs done. The second key security threat in blockchain is smart contract vulnerabilities. Bugs and flaws in smart contract codes can be exploited by attackers, leading to significant financial loss. For example, DAO hack on Ethereum. The third major security threat in blockchain is phishing attacks. Phishing attacks are extremely prominent among cyber attackers for getting into victim devices. Cyber attackers trick users into revealing their seed phrases and privacy codes for getting information regarding their payments and other things like confidential data and personal information by using malicious emails and fake websites and apps. Another key security risk in blockchain is Sybil attacks. A malicious actor can create multiple fake identities to control and manipulate a decentralized network. The fifth key security threat in blockchain is privacy code theft. If any user's privacy code is stolen, his or her digital assets can be transferred to unknown identity or unknown account by cyber attackers. Another major security threat in blockchain is routing attacks. Since blockchain technology relies on internet, that makes blockchain networks vulnerable to cyber attacks, leading to significant financial loss, delay in transactions, and other things. Another key security threat in blockchain is double spending attacks. In POW blockchain, cyber attackers may attempt to spend the same digital currency twice by or reverse payment, leading to huge financial loss. So these are the 7 major security threats in blockchain that are extremely prevalent in today's world among cyber attackers. Cyber attackers exploit these things to get their record information and jobs done. Now let's talk about some best practices that are prevalent for blockchain security in the modern world. Some best practices for blockchain security include smart contract audits, using strong cryptographic, using multi-factor authentication or MFA, using privacy keys and wallets, network security measures, to name a few. So these are among the best practices for blockchain security in modern era. Let's point out these major practices for blockchain security little bit. Let's begin with the uses of strong cryptography. This is one major practice for blockchain security in today's world. One may use robust encryption standards such as SHA-3 or AES-256 to secure privacy codes and wallets. Another key practice for blockchain security is using strong privacy code and wallets. One may use hardware wallets and multi-signature wallets to prevent unauthorized access. The third key practice for blockchain security is in the implementation of multi-factor authentication or MFA. Another key practice for blockchain security is smart contract audits. One may conduct through security audits on smart contracts before deployment. Tools like OpenZeppelin, Slither, and Mythex help identify vulnerabilities. Adopting secure coding practices is another practice for blockchain security these days. One may follow security best practices when developing blockchain applications, including input validation, access control, and reentrancy protection. One may use a secure consensus mechanism for securing one's blockchain ecosystem. One may consider using proof of stake POS, delegated proof of stake DPoS, or Byzantine fault tolerance BFT to improve security and reduce attack risks. The network security measures can also be taken for securing the blockchain ecosystem these days. One may use several VPNs, firewalls, and intrusion detection systems or IDS to protect blockchain nodes from cyber threats. So these are some key practices for blockchain security these days. One may adhere to the practices for securing one's blockchain ecosystem. Another key practice for blockchain security is the implementation of multi-factor authentication or MFA. It requires additional security exposures beyond passwords such as biometric authentication, one-time passwords, OTP, etc. Some other key practices for blockchain security are decentralized identity and zero knowledge proofs, ZKPs, regular security updates and patch management, and security awareness and training. One may implement decentralized identity solutions and privacy preserving techniques to enhance user anonymity. One may also keep blockchain software, nodes, and smart contracts updated to mitigate newly discovered vulnerabilities. One may educate users, developers, and stakeholders on blockchain security risks and best practices. So these are the 10 best practices for blockchain security in modern era. One may utilize these practices for securing one's blockchain ecosystem and protect one's digital assets from malicious cyber attacks. So that's all about the key security threats in blockchain and the best practices for blockchain security in today's world. So blockchain security is critical for ensuring the integrity and reliability of decentralized networks. By using strong cryptographic standards or robust encryption standards such as SHA-3, AES-256, etc., conducting smart contract audits, using strong privacy keys, governments and individuals can protect their digital assets from malicious attacks in the blockchain ecosystem.